Hey y'all, back with another hair video. This time a tutorial, quick little video on me trying to style my 3-day-old wash and go, and these are the products that I use. So yeah, let's get into this. All right, as y'all can see, my hair is a hot mess, frizzy, curls undefined. So I get my DevaCurl styling cream and I use it to apply to my edges, mix with a little water, and all over my hair just to refresh my curls, revive them a little bit, just to add in some additional moisture because my hair did get a little dry over the past few days as the weather changes. So I just apply it all over. And then I get my Eco Styler gel. I no longer use this brand, but I ran out of the flaxseed and olive oil brand. And so I just use this from my sister, and I applied it to my edges. And then as you see, I get my Denman and lay those edges down just to make it smooth for this hairstyle that I'm about to do. Get my hair tie, add a little bit more water, flip over for this pineapple puff. As you all know, pineapple is used to preserve your curls at night. So this is the style that I'm doing right now. And touching up just to make it nice and smooth. Wrap it around one time because I don't need it to be tight, and I bring it right to the front so it sits right at the top of my forehead. For this particular style, I want it off to the side, and you'll see how I do that. And I just kind of scrunch it up a little bit, touch up, smooth surfaces, make it nice and sleek. You know, y'all like it slick back. And I get my handy dandy scarf. It's a little raggedy and old, but hey, you gotta work with what you got. So, and I tie it to the front side of my head. I believe that's my right side. And I will be doing 2 knots. I was going to try to do a bow, but this scarf is not long enough for that. So as you can see, I'm doing the first knot. And then I'm doing the second knot, not too tight as I plan on wearing this all day. And I tuck the loose pieces on each side. I was having a little trouble on the other side, but that's the general idea. Had a loose string. Go ahead and cut that. Want to make sure it looks nice and pretty. We don't want any raggediness showing, if you know what I mean. But from there, I begin scrunching and moving my ponytail off to the side so that you can see the little cute knot with the scarf. Scrunch, touch up, all of that. Smooth out your edges, tuck, just all the necessary things to make this hairstyle look bomb. And then I get my sweet almond oil and I apply it to my ends just to seal in moisture from me refreshing with the DevaCurl styling cream to add moisture back as my hair has gotten a little dry, as I said earlier. And this is pretty much it. What do y'all think? Yes, so cute and so easy. Love it. Hope you all enjoyed this hair tutorial, and as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe.